Welcome back to Vivian channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button so that you don't miss another episode coming up next. It is the first week of 2023. How was your New Year celebration and your holiday? Once again, I wanted to greet you all a Happy New Year on this first week of 2023. So today I would like to check in with you all if you have your New Year resolution for the new year. If you do, maybe you can share with us what are your New Year resolution on the comment below. So should we all have a New Year resolution? To be really honest with you all, I used to feel really excited with the New Year resolution. When it is the first of the January of the year, I was so excited to write down all my New Year resolution of the year. But then, sadly, not many of these New Year resolutions were accomplished. And in actual fact, according to the researchers that have shown that only 16% of people follow through their New Year resolution. Unfortunately, I am not the 16%. So, do you still think that New Year resolution is working? Yes, they are working for the people who is ready to make the changes. However, not many people is ready for the changes. They are making the New Year resolution feeling excited, but like I say, they are not ready to make the changes. So they just wanted to feel the freshness of the year. Hence, they are setting themselves up for the failure instead of the success. Therefore, I stopped waiting for the new year to set my New Year resolution. I started working on my goals anytime throughout the year when I'm ready. That's why I decided to start my 100 days Facebook Live without waiting for another moment. And also, I decided to start my 100 Successful Women a Conversation to Inspire series sometime last month without waiting for the new year. I decided to make the changes of waking up before 5 a.m. last few months as well. I started my routine and goals earlier instead of waiting for the new year. All you need to do is to decide to make the changes if you want to change your life. Therefore, you got to remember the decision to make changes is not only happens on the first day of the year. You literally can make the decision in any moment of your life. If you make the decision to change and start doing the work, you can do it anytime. Therefore, if you decide to make changes in your life, to reach the goals, to reach your dreams that you have in your life, start right now. It is the moment that you can make the decision anytime of your life. If you decided to change, you will then find ways to move through obstacles, to move through challenges in your life. As I always say, every day is a new beginning. It's never too late to start. Make the most out of your today. I'll see you guys in the next one.